Welcome back. Goa Bachao Abhiyan has demanded a facilitation center in every taluka for correcting genuine mistakes in the Regional Plan 2021. They have reiterated their demand of screening the RP for 30 days before notifying it.
Sabina Martin, convener of Goa Bachao Abhiyan, addressed the press conference on Wednesday in Panji. She has said that every time Goa government fails to fulfill the assurances, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has failed to establish facilitation centre in every taluka as promised on the floor of the State Legislative Assembly.
The fact that the government has notified the plans and then withdrawn it shows there is lack of transparency. The second point that I would like to insist on is that the government has not kept the plans open for 30 days and it has gone ahead and notified the plans, which again shows that the government is not following the participatory process.
Sabina further said the GBA has decided to take on government if it fails to fulfill the promises and participatory processes before notifying the Regional Plan 2021. A meeting of RP village committees and groups on 12th May will decide future strategy of the GBA.
The people are really very agitated that the government is taking the people for a ride. It's 4 years since this whole regional plan process has begun, and now it is time to tell the government that if you do not give us the plan for the regional plan the way the people have demanded, then people are also going to give you a suitable reply.
In March 2010 Assembly session, Chief Minister had told the House that within 6 months government will complete the regional plan. Sabina says even after a year in March 2011, government has given yet another empty promise of completing the plan in June 2011. GBA alleged that delay in completing RP 2021 is deliberate to give scope to illegal business.
See, we see that this delay is deliberate so that all those people who want land conversions, all those people who want to build big projects, all those people who want to do things which are not legal, okay, and they are afraid of transparency.
Our reporter from Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
The search for Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Dorji Khandu is over. He has been killed in a chopper crash in Lothong near Tawang district. Remains of the helicopter and 3 dead bodies were found after a search operation of 5 days.
As per officials, the helicopter wreckage was found at Lobotang. Chopper's crash site was located by joint search team. Government officials identified the body of the CM. 3 dead bodies were recovered in a decomposed state at the crash site. It was difficult to trace the chopper carrying Arunachal Pradesh CM Dorji Khandu due to bad weather. 25 members from Khandu's constituency were also in search of the missing chopper. From past 4 days, Dorji Khandu was missing. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Club Paradiso in Anjuna is no more. The party destination was demolished on Wednesday following a High Court order. Mamladar of Bardes Taluka along with demolition squad razed the club. The establishment has been brought down for violating CRZ norms.
One of the hottest party spot in Anjuna will be a history now. Club Paradiso has been demolished on the charges of violating CRZ norms. JCB and demolition squad was engaged to wipe out the concrete structure completely. Huge police force was deployed to tackle any emergency situation. Joint Mamlatdar of Bardes Taluka, Gauri Sankwalkar, spoke to us.
आम्ही आज हांगा अंजुना पॅराडिसो म्हणून क्लब पॅराडिसो आसा तांच्यांनी इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन केल्लें CRZान ते डिमोलिश केलां. ताका आमकां GCZMA हांच्यांनी ऑर्डर दिल्ली. ती ऑर्डर लिझी जो आशिल्लो ताणें चॅलेंज केल्ली आनी हायकोर्टान ती हालींच डिस्पोज केल्या. डायरेक्शन दिलां मोड म्हणून हे जे इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन CRZान आसा तितलें आज आमी हांगासर डिमोलिश केलां.
A reporter from Anjuna, Shamsundar Fatte.
Summer is at its peak and the water shortage is becoming intense across the state. Residents of Ashad Housing Complex at Madel in Fatorda Gheraud, assistant engineer of the PWD. They have demanded repair of the pipeline and regular supply of water.
This is the Aushat housing complex at Madal in Fatorda. There are about 160 flats here. Residents of complex claim that out of this 160 flats, 40 are suffering from acute water shortage from almost 2 years. The Get Out Assistant Engineer of PWD Vijay Kudzadkar and demanded an immediate repair of pipelines and regular supply of water.
This is going on for 2 years. We have approached the PWD, we have approached the water department, and a few days back I myself had phoned the councillor.
Assistant Engineer of PWD Vijay Kudzadkar has assured them to solve the problem immediately.
The situation will change this month. Because today we are doing that MS line for, and they will get water. And net also the internal network we are shifting. All lines have been damaged by sewerage work. There is some rupture in pipeline, means puncture. So what we have sent estimate by approval.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Our Madgaon reporter Ramesh Naik Raut and his family members were assaulted by one Shantaram Gaonkar at Kepe on Wednesday. Shantaram happens to be the husband of a Zilla Panchayat member of Bali. The reason behind the assault is still not known. Gaonkar has been arrested by the Kepe police.
Ramesh Naik Raut along with his family was on way to Kepe. This incident happened on Wednesday. On one side, underground cabling work was going on, and on the other side, a grey Indica with registration number GA09U5534 had blocked the road. When he was asked to move the vehicle, he refused and assaulted Ramesh and his family members.
चल मातशी गाडी काड रे वचपा जाय भुरगीं आसा ल्हान ते म्हणपाक ना आमी काडना गाडी तुज्यान जाता तें कर म्हणटरे हांव पुलिसे फोन मारपाक गेलो पुलिसे फोन मारलो बी तितल्यान तेणें म्हाजेर फाटल्यान काडले आनीक मोबायलाचे हात मारला आनी मोबायल सकयल उडयलो आनीक मोबायल सकयल उडयतर एक बायल बेग देंवली बायल देंवतर एक बायलेले आनी पयलीं एकट्यान थापट मारलें जो ते एक हँडिकॅप आसतो ताका हात ना एक त्या मनशान तो तेजें नांव शांताराम गांवकर तेणें तेगेल्याक थापट मारतर एक आमची दोगांयली हें जालें झगडी जाली थंय इतल्यान लोक धांवट येयतर एक हेणी दोग जाण गाडी घेवन गेले आनी एकटो बेश्ट धांवलो.
The complaint is filed with the Kepe police station. Kepe police later arrested Shantaram Gaonkar. However, 2 others present at the spot managed to escape. Our reporter from Kepe, Mayur Naik.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.